Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about find the line go through 2 points in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find vector AB. To find about vector AB, the value of this one, negative number 7 minus negative number 4. This is for X. This is for Y, negative number 3 minus number 6. This one we have negative number 3. This one negative number 9. So we want to find about normal vector of AB. So we switch negative number 9, negative number 3. So I will put negative number 9 in here, but I will change negative into the positive. This one is about negative number 3. Because normal vector multiplied with vector AB, they should be equal to number 0. For example, negative number 3 multiplied by number 9 plus negative number 9 multiplied by negative number 3 equals to number 0, because normal vector is perpendicular. That's why when we do like this, we can find the formula of the line AB in here. That's why we need to find normal vector AB. Now we have the formula of the line. That's about AX plus BY plus C equals to number 0. So 9, that's about A. B, that's about negative number 3. So I choose the point A in here, so I will put negative number 4 and number 6 to find about C in here. So this one, 9 with negative number 4, we have negative 36. This one, negative 18. We have C. So we can find the value of C in here. Negative 36, negative 18, we have negative 54. So if we put this one goes to the right, we have 54. And now we can get the final answer. A is about number 9. B, that's about negative number 3. C, that's about 54. And now we divide both sides by number 3 because we can simplify this one in here. So we have 3x minus y plus 18. And this is the final answer for the question number 1. Now we do the same for question number 2. 5 minus negative number 2, we have 7. Negative number 2 minus negative number 4, we have number 2. And now the normal vector of AB, we have negative number 2, 7. So we have AX plus BY plus C equals to number 0. So we put negative number 2 and number 7 in here. In this situation, I choose point A. So we will have about negative number 2, negative number 2, B is about 7, negative number 4, plus C equals to number 0. So we can find about C equals 24. Now we put A is about negative number 2, B is about 7, and C that's about 24. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.